One of the major Indian success stories is the international status of the Indian pharma and chemical sectors. This status is only going to grow further, and it is definitely there that we are going to be dominating these two sectors in the near future. In order not to jeopardize this growth, these two sectors need to not only maintain quality and be cost competitive, but need to also meet the stringent environmental and safety standards. And there can be no compromise whatsoever on these. Especially the ESG goals and safety standards are becoming so inbuilt into the systems in the West that if we want to be part of their chain, we have no option but to comply with them in complete. I'm very happy this conference is thus very apt and timely. I'm sure that with the distinguished speakers present today, we will also gain a lot of knowledge and where do we have to go. My compliments and thanks to the distinguished speakers and to Mr. Chakravarti Garu, to the CII team, and to all the delegates who are here together. I do hope that all of you will find this session to be extremely knowledgeable and beneficial to all of us. Thank you very much and have a good day.